3/4 minus 1/2 equals, multiply natin to pa x. 3 times 2 equals 6 over, multiply natin itong 4 at saka 2 equals 8 minus, ito naman 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. Dugtong natin dito. Subtract natin tong 6. Subtract natin tong formula sa 6. So, 6 minus 4 equals 2 over 8. 8 yung bagong common denominator nila. Reduce natin to ng lowest term. Ang common factor nila is 2. So, 2 divide natin yung 2 mula sa 2. Divide din natin tong 8 by 2. So, 2 divided by 2 equals 1 over 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So, 3/4 minus 1/2 equals 1/4. Ito naman. 1/2 minus 1/8 equals, ganun din, multiply natin pa x. 1 times 8 equals 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. Itong sa baba. Minus, ito naman, 2 times 1 equals 2 over 2 times 8 equals 16. Dugtong natin dito. Masyadong malaki. Ayan. Subtract natin itong dalawang numerator. Itong 8 subtract natin mula sa, itong 2 subtract natin mula sa 8. So, 8 minus 2 equals 6 over common denominator 16. Reduce natin to ng lowest term. Common factor nila is 16, and common factor nila ay 2. So, divide natin itong 6 by 2 and 16 by 2. So, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Ayan, final answer. Hindi na ito na-reduce pa sa mas mababa sa lowest term. Ito na yung lowest term niya.